The Inspectors General (BSF) Region Commanders BGB level border coordination conference concluded today with the signing of the Joint Record of Discussion (JRD) document. The 13-member Indian delegation was led by IG of BSF Tripura Frontier, Patel Piyush Purushottam Das, while the 13-member BGB delegation was led by MD Shazedur Rahman, Region Commander Chattogram. During the conference, various issues of bilateral interest which will pave the way towards enhancing the understanding and cooperation between both the border guarding forces were discussed at length. The BSF and BGB have decided to identify sensitive and vulnerable areas which will require amplified attention to check smuggling and address security challenges along the India-Bangladesh border.
Bilateral interests which will pave the way toward enhancing the understanding and cooperation between both the border guarding forces were discussed at length. Further, special emphasis was given to focus issues, particularly insurgent activities, various trans-border crimes including smuggling of contraband items, psychotropic drugs and narcotic substances, border violations and pending infrastructural and developmental works, besides common coordinated border management plan.